Derivation: prefixes, suffixes, and infixes. For example, we know that un and miss, they are prefixes. Why they are prefixes? They are put in the beginning of the word before the stem, right? Affixes added to the end of the word are suffixes. For example, we have less and ish. They're always joined to the end of a word. All English words formed by this derivational process have either prefixes or suffixes or both. For example, we have the word mislead. It has a prefix miss and then the stem lead. Disrespectful, it has a prefix dis and then the suffix which is full. And we have another word, foolishness. It has a derivational suffix ish and ness. So this is how English words are coined. And we know that contrary to the derivational suffixes, the inflectional suffixes are 8 in all. They are 8 in their number, and they do not change the class of the word. Whereas all the derivational suffixes, except the prefixes, change the class of the word. Another type of affixes is infix. Infix, it means, as it's very clear from its name, is fixed in the word, right? In the stem, right? Somewhere in the word. Not normally used in English. Infixes are not very much frequent in English. However, found in some other languages. Some other languages they are found. For example, if you look at this word, abso-goddamn-lutely. So absolutely has an infix goddamn, right? So this is a very common, and this shows the height of emotion and aggravation of the people. Similarly, we have fantastic. Fantastic, which has an infix damn, right? So this also shows the mental state, emotional state of the people who use it. This is used very by the English speaker. So this is an example of infix, which is very not very usual in English language, but it's very common, or it is found in other language. For let's look at an African language, Kamhumu, in which we find that how infixes are used. For example, we have the word that means to drill, and this is the verb see. It is the actual verb see, how this is pronounced. Then we see that this verb see becomes srnin. R and N are added to it, and now the word which see, which meant to drill, is now a drill. So the verb with the addition of this infix become a noun. Similarly, we find to chisel, to, and then we add R and N into it. This is an infix, to know. So it becomes a chisel. So verb transfer into a noun with an infix. To eat with a spoon, he eat. So her neep. So a spoon. So with the addition of infix, it becomes noun. So the article is infixed into the verb to make it a noun. To tie, whom, whom, a thing with which to tie. So this is an example in which we see that an infix, r and an. Obviously, their pronunciation in the actual language is very different. I'm just trying to make you understand that how it could be pronounced, right? So this is how an infix is brought within a word to change the grammatical category of the word, and the word becomes a noun from a verb. So as I said, that this is a third category of affixes, and which is very rare in English language but is found in other language.